I'm gonna install the TRD replica ring, and it has 4 holes, 2 here and then like 2 here. I'm not gonna make the other 2. I'm just gonna put these 2 and then 3M tape right here. For over here, this hole, the one on the wing, where the bolt goes. Let me show you. This is where the bolt went into the wing, and this thing just came off. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole here to replace this one, and probably gonna make the other hole right here too. Might as well to have all 3, because the wing doesn't have, for all the bolts, doesn't have this. Only 2 of them had this thing. You see how this one has this little thing where the bolt goes? This one had it right here, and that's what came off. These don't have it. It's just the thread is right into the wing. This one has that little piece there, and that's what just falls off. And it had one here and one there. These other 2 don't have it. And these holes, I drilled them because this one doesn't have any on the inside. I drilled those holes because of these little things. I grinded them, but not all the way, because I don't want to, scratch the wrap off right there. So I just grinded them just enough. They're almost all the way down. So this is where that thing fell off. It was in this hole. I had to drill this one. It was actually, drilling is easy compared to drilling the frame itself over there in the front. When I tried to put on the splitters, that was hard. My drill bit broke many times. But right here I drilled this hole, this big one, so I could put the ratchet through it to tighten it, and I'm about to put it on.